you guys have thick or long hair like me, I'm going to put you on one product that I promise you will literally save your life. It's the Colour Wow Speed Dry. Oh my god, the amount of arm ache I have saved myself from using this product has been insane. For me, drying my hair takes so long, and this product has been so good for me. So what I do is I take a piece of hair, spray it. I'm going to show you guys, but yeah, I spray it, dry my hair, and it literally cuts down drying time. I just can't explain, like, you guys have to see for yourself. So I'm just sectioning my hair, but I just want to mention that this stuff has heat protectant in it, which is like a 2-in-1. Saves you from buying another heat protectant. It's really good in that way, because obviously the longer you put heat on your hair, like the longer you dry your hair, the more time you're putting heat on it, which is obviously not good for your hair. Okay, so I'm gonna spray it on this side, all over my hair. I'm gonna time this side with the speed dry and then this side just normally, so you guys can see the comparison of the different times. Okay, this side took me 1 minute and 45 seconds. This is using the speed dry. I'm going to show you guys without speed dry. The side without the speed dry took me 2 minutes and 56 seconds. This product is no joke.